In just 1 minute, let's learn important functions of Excel. Date and time. Let's say we want to find today's date in this cell. We'll put is equal to today, open the bracket, close the bracket, enter. So here is the date. Now this date is in month, date and year format. If you want to change the format, you can change it from here. Correct? Now let's say if I want to find out how many days are there until my birthday, and let's say my birthday is on 25th of December. So here it shows that from 13th to 25th there are 12 days until my birthday. Similarly, if you want to calculate time, we will use the formula is equal to, now open and close bracket, enter. Correct? And in the similar way, we can find out in time and out time of our employees. Just be sure of one thing: when we are calculating time, we need to multiply it by 24 to convert it into number of hours. Easy? You can download this sheet from the link given in the description box. Do check out the next video to learn the next function. Thank you.